So the Meteoroid is replacing this vehicle, which is the Bullet 350X Thunderbird. So this was in production for almost quite some time, and the 350X had a different stance. Basically you will see the similar kind of styling, but slightly different in the new Meteoroid. But this was a bike in its age which has done really well. Basically this was a cruiser from Royal Enfield, basically the cruiser stance, and the big, I believe it's an 18 or a 20 liter fuel tank, which is the prominent thing which stands out on the bike, and that's the only color which highlights in the bike, and rest all is black. And a good thing, in that age this Thunderbird was offered in the tubeless tire variant. So this was the first Royal Enfield which came with the tubeless tires, and the front brake close to 300 had single channel ABS at that time. The rear was a drum, and also there was the dual disc variant which is offered. It came with the 41 front fork, and the rear was the 5-step adjustable gas charge suspension. So this made around 20 bhp, right? So this was around 20 bhp, and the torque was 23 Nm, 24 Nm. 24 Nm. The fuel tank capacity was 15 liters. No, it should be more. Okay. So this had tubeless tires. So basically this was the first Royal Enfield which come with tubeless tires with alloy wheels, right? And then it had no ABS, not even single channel ABS. The BS6 variant had the single, and this was the prominent Thunderbird headlight. So projector headlamp with the LED ring. Correct. 5-speed gearbox, right? Yep. So the Meteoroid is purely based on this concept.
Okay, so this is the first easy cruiser. Cruiser in the sense?
Cruiser, yes. Forward stance. Long road, right.
Okay. So on the first point, so there are a lot of features in this.
Yes.
Okay, which is offering the technology as well as safety.
Safety, correct. Yeah.
Safety in the sense, it is having a dual channel ABS.
Dual channel ABS stand.
And the second thing is side stand sensor.
Side stand sensor, correct. Correct. Side stand indicator.
The vehicle will not move.
Yes.
And the third one is there is a rollover sensor.
Rollover sensor. Okay.
Rollover sensor is the customers will know that if the vehicle fell down towards the right or left, the engine ignition will get off.
Yeah, automatically off.
Automatically off.
Very nice.
And the other thing is about the EV actually. It is an alloy wheels.
Alloy wheels.
Tubeless tires.
Tubeless tires. Very nice.
That is to benefit for the customers.
Current customers, correct.
And they have used the cradle charge.
Double carriage fashion, correct. Yes. Yes.
So that it is easy for the turning.
Maneuvering and very sturdy.
Very steady. And they have used balancer shaft.
Balancer shaft for engine smoothness. Super.
For that reason there is no vibration.
Correct.
Less vibration.
Very less. Sir, slipper clutch
Yeah, slipper clutch
is not there. Interceptor, okay. 5-speed gearing.
5-speed brake.
Huh.
With the speed, it is used as an overdrive.
Overdrive, huh? Oh, nice.
So that the fuel economy will be good.
Good. Super.
And the first time there is an uncolored looks.
Yeah.
Uncolored looks in the sense, in Royal Enfield we have seen many naked wires.
Yes.
The wires are inside.
Inside. Very nice. Sir, one thing I'll appreciate, sir. You see this? There is no screw.
Yeah.
So basically they mounted the screw inside this. So very seamless design this is.
Seamless design.
Very nice.
For uncolored looks.
Yeah. So that is, I was thinking, where is the screw? Where is it? How did they put it? But if you see from down, there is inside the screw. Yes.
And we have to do it.
Yeah. So because this look, they didn't make it put holes to make the screw. Very nice.
And when we look into the tail lamp and headlight coming with the
LED rings.
So this was the first time.
First time, correct.
And we are coming with a digi analog instrument.
Digital analog indicators, yes.
With a navigation system.
Navigation with Google
With a
Maps.
Google navigation system.
Super.
We have a trip map system also.
Yes.
We can change it here.
Correct.
And Yeah, about the premium part, even this is also a premium part.
Yes.
The alert switch and all the
Correct.
alert switch are changed.
Correct. Rotary knobs, yes. And then you have the hazard switch.
Alert switch also.
Very nice.
This is all the premium.
And 15-liter fuel tank.
Yeah, 15.5 liters.
Very nice. Yeah.
The reserve capacity of 5 liters.
5 liters, correct. Very nice. Super, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Really nice explanation. So that's pretty much about the differences and also the. So it keeps screaming for a gear, but there's no gear. Obviously, they would have given it a 6th gear because it doesn't pull at a certain speed. You know, it just stops over there and screams for a gear. Probably it's a new vehicle, I believe that's the reason why it is behaving like this, but if you are a lazy driver and you want to, you know, clock speeds and be at a speed which is at 100 kilometers, then I guess this would be the bike for you. The gearing is really smooth, man. Really smooth. If you're not in the right gear, it screams and it doesn't move. But I guess the top speed, you know, of this vehicle is certainly not more than 115. Again, it depends on the weight in which you are. But yeah, had pretty